Happy Vlogmas day 10. It's the evening. I've not been home all day. This is what you get. I'm gonna tack today on with tomorrow. Life was crazy today. Work was crazy. Just being in places where I can't film and meetings and stuff like that, but couldn't pass today without at least signing on and saying hi. Again, today's day 10. I'm gonna tack just this clip on to day 11 because I'm not gonna do a really quick one. So while we're here, let's do day 10. Oh my gosh, 10 is so big. Okay, let's look. It is 10, right? No, is it 9? Oh, let me look. I opened 9 yesterday. Yeah, it's 10. Let's see. Ooh, lash domination. So it's the Bare Minerals. Ooh, the lighting is not great. Or maybe it's just that I look super tired. 10-in-1 lash benefits from Bare Minerals. It's a volumizing mascara. And it's a sample size. I'm trying to open this. Sorry about this. Ooh, I'm gonna have to deal. Okay, there we go. Just a sample size. I've not tried this mascara before, so that'll be kind of fun. But anyway, you guys, that's it for tonight. I'm heading into bed. It's been a long day. So I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye. Oh, Vlogmas day 11. Right. Yes, 11. So it's evening. I did a full day of work. I didn't get to work out. I'm feeling kind of like all the kids at work are so sick and coughing and snotty, and so praying that I don't get sick because they leave in a little more than a week. So I'm trying to take it easy. I kind of felt kind of congested, sort of throaty today, so I picked up some Coldies, been sucking that down, ate some fruit, having some water, trying to keep myself healthy. So I did that and then came home and showered, packed. I'm going to be gone for the next few days, so I have pre-recorded stuff going up, and I took a shower and then here I am. So I have actually a lot of grading to do. So the next few days I have a friend whose birthday it is, and she is going out of town, and so I'm going to help out with her kid. So I'm going to be gone Wednesday through Sunday, and so I do have some pre-recorded stuff I'm gonna put up because it's just gonna be hard with the kids and making sure they get to school and getting them all taken care of and vlog and edit. So I hope you don't mind. It's content that I think you'll like and that you typically like, so it'll be good. So be on the lookout for those. So let's do Advent Calendar Day 11. Okay. All right, we're up here in the corner. Ooh, it's a First Aid Beauty. So let's see. It's their Ultimate Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry, parched skin. So yeah, I've tried, you know, a few samples of this and I think it's a good product. But now, let's see, that's kind of a funky angle. I'm already in my pajamas, guys. But now I have, gosh, this is kind of like a funky, sorry guys, let's get you adjusted. So I have my first ever BOXYCHARM LUXE. Oh my gosh, you guys, this ooh, sorry, I had to get it. So I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. It's huge, it's so big. So I think my understanding is that you get not only what you would typically get in your BOXYCHARM box, but then additional stuff. And so it's an additional price. It's quarterly, so it's called, it's so the famous 'tis the season Boxy Luxe. So excited, you guys. So let's take a look at all the goodies. So the first thing I see, and this is beautiful packaging, it's the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder Matte About It, and this retails for $32. And I want to say the BOXYCHARM Luxe is an additional $29 on top of the 21 that you pay per month, and it's like 2 separate charges, but it all comes in one box. I've not tried this, so it's kind of cool because it's matte. Let's open it up. Usually do a try on. Oh, how cute is this though? It comes with the most adorable cute puff, and it's, you know, it doesn't really smell anything. It kind of looks like your typical translucent powder, but I just actually really like that packaging. Like, let's see if I can get that to focus in. Like how, well, I'm not gonna bend down and pick it up right now, so you'll see it again another time. It's just really pretty packaging. So, okay, next up, oh, it's the Sponge Gel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. I've gotten these in FabFitFun. It smells really good, actually. It's it'll cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. It retails for $21. They're good. I mean, they're nice to have. This one actually smells really good, but they kind of just look like this. Ooh, it's a star shape. Smell good and just kind of gets stuff clean, so that's pretty cool. Okay, next up, ooh, how cute is this bag? This is Glam AF. Let's see if there's something. It kind of feels like there's something inside of it. So how cute. It's like a little wristlet. I love that. It's kind of fun to put stuff in. And yeah, there's something inside. It's really cute because it has like a little silica gel, but also like I don't know if you can tell, but it has a divider. This is nice for like taking makeup like in your purse, or if you go on like a quick overnight and just have a few things you want to take. This is like a great size. You can also use it as a clutch. Stop. Crimes of Beauty, and it is a charger. How cool is that? So you can charge your iPhones, and it has the iPhone adapter. I'm like, oh, and this is the USB output, so you can plug it. Is that what that is? Oh, this is the iPhone adapter. Let me see. Oh yeah, so it just like this pops out and it can charge your phone. I don't think it's charged. And then I like because it like, it's cute because it just like goes into place just like this. I don't know how I pulled this out and then how I put it back in. I'm gonna sit here and play with this for days. It's supposed to like go in here, like there we go. It kind of slid it in, and then this is. I'm just looking at this. So this is the USB output. The USB wire connector to charge it, so you can put this in a brick, stick it in here to charge it up. I love that it's so slim, and it has a Type-C adapter and USB out port when you lift this up. It's so slim and it's so cool. So technically I'm assuming that maybe this could also just be something to hold all your chargers and stuff like that. Let's see what it says. I don't know who this is by. Oh yeah, Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger. It's a pillow faux leather bag for jet setter, the trendsetter, the girl boss who's always running around to her next meeting. The portable charger is complete with an iPhone and Android devices. Oh, is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port so that you'll never miss an email and all that stuff. So this retails for $22. So that's kind of a cool thing. I actually really like that. And something a little bit different, but still super cute. Next up, this huge box of Luxe brushes, and this is the complete face set, and it comes with a round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. Like, that's so pretty. my gosh, how gorgeous is that? And Luxe brushes are awesome. It just comes out. How cute is this? And oh, how cute. It comes with this little box that you could totally just use and set up. But like, how pretty are all of these? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I actually really like their brushes a lot. And so I'm excited to use these. They're so soft, so soft. That is awesome, you guys. I couldn't be happier with the way this box is going. I'm gonna put it back in because it's just such a pretty presentation. And if you have a lot of brushes, like, the thing about these subscription boxes is that they're a great value. This is retails for $65. So if you're like, I've got a gazillion brushes, which I do, you could give this a gift, which I'm not. I'm going to keep this for myself because I just really like Luxe brushes. I think they're so beautiful. They're such great quality and they work so well. So excited for that. And there's more, you guys. That's not even close. We're going on to the second layer. Okay, next up, everything's packaged really well, is and I think this is like, everyone got this. I don't know what you got in your regular box versus the Luxe box or the Luxe. Oh, okay. I don't know. It like doesn't tell me exactly what's in what box. So, but I'm pretty sure I've seen people unbox this Protege. It's the Suva Beauty Protege, and it has it's really pretty. Let me see what it says about that. It's the Suva Beauty Protege palette. Is a versatile warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 highlighters. So you see these beautiful shadows. I love those colors. And then the 2 highlighters on the end. So that's really pretty. Oh, I just like dug my finger into it. Whoops, a daisy. But it gives me a chance to kind of test them out. Oh, they're really pretty. That's the highlighter. So gorgeous. They're pretty colors. Those are definitely colors. Especially like right here. These are definitely colors that I would totally wear. I like more warm tones than cool tones, but they're all really pretty, and they're really pretty. Again, a really pretty highlight. Okay, I'm so excited about one of these things in here, but I'm gonna wait till last because there's a few goodies here at the bottom that I'm gonna pull out. So this is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Mascara. I've not tried any of the Grande Cosmetics mascaras. It does extreme length and volume, and it promotes healthier lashes with your new Grande. And it promotes healthier lashes with Grande mascara. It's infused with lash loving blend of peptides. Just a regular wand. It's buildable, water resistant, and easily removable. And it's supposed to prevent lash breakage and keep the lashes flexible and strong, and this retails for $25. This is the Tarte's Shimmering a Lip Paint in the color Insta Famous, and this retails for $20. It has reflective glitter, gives your lips a fuller look. So, oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. There you go. Look how pretty that is. Now that is beautiful. I'm sure it is pretty on its own, but it also would be a really pretty lip topper. I don't know if this will really show up. It's like clear, but it has that beautiful shine and glitter. Very glittery, but oh so pretty. Okay, not spray. I don't have anything like that. Next up, there's some really good stuff in here. I'm excited about this, and this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles, smooths, firms, and hydrates. I have not actually tried any Elemis products, so when I heard this was going to be in there, I was real excited. So it smells really like fresh and doesn't have very strong of a scent. And this, did I say this retails for $89? So what a great value. And then the last thing, which I'm so excited for, is, drum roll please, a Violet Vase palette. I've not tried any Violet Vase and I'm so excited. It's the Pro HD palette. It retails for $45. It's 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. This is vegan, cruelty free, and is created with finely milled pigments, making for smooth application and easy blending. I'm so excited, you guys. This is like legit. While I open this, if you guys are interested in BOXYCHARM, I recommend signing up and trying the BOXYCHARM Luxe. I'll leave all of the information down below. This is so cool. If you're here just for BOXYCHARM, I am doing Vlogmas, so feel free to check out my other vlogs. I'm trying really hard to do a vlog every day. I missed yesterday. That's the first day. But I don't anticipate really missing any more. So it'd be super awesome if you checked it out and subscribed. Woo! What if I broke the whole thing before I even like got to see it? That would be something I would totally do. Oh my god. I cannot get this open. Just like break it when you like just rip it off. Because no one's got time to try and mess with this. Okay, there it is. Let's look. Oh my gosh, this is so me. I love this. All of the colors are gorgeous. So good. And it really is a nice mix of these beautiful like matte satins and then these like beautiful shimmery colors. Oh, it's so good, you guys. I am so excited to try this out. Oh, I'm so happy. Lots of good stuff. I highly recommend BOXYCHARM Luxe, the Luxe version of BOXYCHARM, however they say it. It's really good. I'm so happy. I can't wait for the next one. If you're new to my BOXYCHARMs, typically what I do is a try on with all of the products, but because we're in the middle of Vlogmas, I'm just going to show you. But in the future, I still plan on, for the most part, doing the try on. So that's it for this Vlogmas, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, for the next 2 days, they'll be pre-recorded, but you'll still see advent calendar and some good videos. So I'll see you soon. Bye.